Based on the hit TV game show, it's the fast-paced game 25 words or less. You've got 1 minute to say 25 words or less as clues to get your teammates to guess the 5 words on the card. If you get your teammates to guess all 5 words in less than a minute and in 25 words or less, then your team wins the card. If not, your opponents win the card. The first team to win 10 cards wins the game. To start, divide into 2 teams and place game cards face down between you. Each team elects one player to be the clue giver for the first round. The clue giver then selects the cards they will use and starts the bidding. Bidding always begins at 25 clue words, and the player who bids the lowest wins control of the card. The player who loses the bid serves as the judge and will start the gameplay for the clue-giving team. Once the timer starts, the judge counts down every word the clue giver says. They will need to be fast and concise. The clue giver cannot say rhymes with, sounds like, and cannot use gestures. They cannot use any part of the answer word as a clue either. If the clue giver gives too many words or breaks a rule, the round ends and the other team scores. Teammates can shout out answers right away. They do not need to take turns. If the team correctly guesses all 5 words in time, they keep the card and win the round. The first team to gather 10 cards wins the game. Can you give clues in 25 words or less?